Patliputra from BCA Review Batch 2. Now I am here to explain language processor and its type. What is language processor? Language processor is system software which is used to convert source code into object code, and it is just like a translator. It is of three types: interpreter, compiler and assembler. What is interpreter? Interpreter is also a translator. It is used to convert high level language into machine code. In interpreter, debugging is fast, that means execution time is less. And in compiler, compiler is also a translator which is used to convert source code into object code in one go. And here debugging is less and execution time is fast. In assembler is used to convert assembly language into object code. It uses assembly language. Assembly language uses mnemonics to return its program like add, sub. And here the example of interpreter is Python, and the example of compiler is Java, and the example of assembler is Fortran. That's all from my side.